Okay, so here's a more detailed code over here. And this one is the same thing we had in the previous lecture, is we just manipulate a user's number that they entered. So let's this time instead of printing out to the console where we did 10, like this, let's make it instead display to the file. I'm gonna delete this over here, and let's start adding with the fstream library. We're gonna display it to the file instead. It doesn't matter when you declare it. It could be before this int variable or after. Now I'll call it results this time. But we can leave it lowercase. And typically that's the way you should do it. In C++ is put, I think it's gonna be camel case, like results file like this. But I'm not 100% sure on how you're supposed to declare them, like name-wise, for not just variables but functions too. In reality, it doesn't actually matter, for the compiler at least, on how you name your variables. So I call it results over here, and we do results.open, and we can call it, well, result.txt. Then we do cout results. And then we also do over here, results, and then this. Well, actually, no. You have to do the cout over here, and then we could do results over here to display the final result. So we do here, we just display the variable, and then it's important for us to use part of the cout statement so that the user knows what's happening rather than just typing. And let me show you what happens if you have that happening. If you do something like this, it's going to end up something like this. You just type already over here. And although yes, it displayed it, enter a number went over here, and then the result was 11. In reality, that's going to confuse the user, so it's best you have the prompt happening where the user can see. Now, it looks like nothing happened at the end, but that's because the final result got entered over here. The result is 11.